Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm going to show you people how we help our children doing cough and catarrh period. Yes, so I'm going to add the aqua physiologic. I don't know if I pronounce it well in Italy. I don't really know the English name, to be sincere. That's how I see it here. So I'm going to add the second thing briefly. I don't really know if I still pronounce it well, but I think I tried. I'm going to add 5 drop. Yes. Then after I add 5 drop, then I'll cover it. And then you'll see how it works, Sha. Yes, you're going to see how it works. I've already covered it, as you can see. I'm trying to plug it. Okay. I'm trying to plug it. After plugging it, then I'll on it. My boy is helping me to on it. He can go message. But I love it, Sha. He's very helpful. At his age, 2 years and 1 month, he's helpful. So guys, you see here, each time I'm using this machine, it's not hurtful. It doesn't hurt too. It's just normal. So I don't know if you have seen oxygen before. I'm so sorry. I think this is how it was. Okay, see what I'm showing you. You see how the thing is coming up, kind of bringing smoke. Yes, as I put this thing towards his nose, he'll be breathing the smoke inside him, and it will help him to soften the cough, especially the cough. As it softens the cough, and it will be coming out as catarrh. It doesn't hurt, so it's not a boiling water. It's just normal oxygen, just to help him, just to help the catarrh to soften the catarrh and to help him breathe more. So guys, I'm so sorry. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending where you are watching me from. Thank you for coming. Hope you are great. Hope you are doing fine. Hope you are doing fine. Thank you for all my returning subscribers who keep on supporting me. Seriously, I don't take this love for granted. I'm grateful. Thank you for always showing up, supporting me massively. Thank you. God bless you for your good heart. And please, if you have not subscribed, please be part of this family. I'm begging. Let us grow this family together. Let us grow this channel together. With your support, I can grow, and you will be part of this testimony in my life. I will say, if not for my amazing fans, I will not be where I am today. Please support me sincerely and let this channel grow. Okay. Please, if you have not subscribed, like I said before, please try to subscribe. Drop amazing comments based on this video and other of my video you have watched in any of my video. Drop amazing comments, share, like, on the notification bell, so whenever I post a video, you will first to notify. Like I always said before, it's simple as ABC. The YouTube will not charge you, my dear. They will not charge you. Please support me. Please, I'm begging. Okay. Okay, guys. Happy Christmas to you. How are you preparing for this Christmas? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing fine. How is your family at home? It's a season of joy and love. In whatever you are doing, let love lead. Okay? Let love lead. So guys, back to what I'm showing you guys. Normally, whenever I'm using this machine, my boy normally sleep. Like I said before, it's kind of oxygen. It helps him to relax. As you are seeing him now, he's sleeping. The thing will, as he's breathing, it will calm his body down. All his system is very calm and how will I say it? He's enjoying himself. He's sleeping already. So, guys, normally back in Nigeria, whenever you have maybe any health challenges, be it cough medicine, even ordinary cough, they just package enough medicine for you to swallow, including child, adult. But here in Italy, it doesn't work like that. You must have doctor's prescription is a must. You see all this stuff. I when I wanted to go and get them from pharmacy, I took doctor's it was my children's doctor that even prescribed it for me. So I'm going with the paper. Then I'll give the pharmacy once I get to pharmacy. Sorry guys, like I was saying before, once I get to pharmacy, I'm going to give them the doctor's prescription. Then they will use the number code on the paper and give me the medicine. That's how it is done here. So there was a period my kids they were having serious cough, and their doctor was just prescribing these things you are seeing, the breviary, the soluzione, the physiology, all those stuff, that I should do it as I'm doing it, that it will stop. I keep on doing it, but it didn't stop. I was very angry. I wanted to change the doctor. But at the time, I kind of like the doctor because we don't have misunderstanding. We do me like, to be sincere, I'm not that good much in Italy. So she speaks English and we communicate well. Than I think we communicate well. Let me just put it like this. So, but I continuously using it. She said that I should use it in the morning, then in the afternoon. Then the bottle one, you will see it later. I should continuously like use it every minute. Use it to flush the nose, pump the water in their nose, then help them draw the thing out, that it will help. I continuously doing it and it helps, like as she said. I continue and the thing works. So this one that you are seeing now, if I sincerely do it as a doctor direct me to, under 5 days everything will be okay. But most times, mothers, maybe you are doing one or two things, sometimes you might even forget. You just forget and you'll be just doing another different thing, and the time you're supposed to do this thing have already passed. As in, all those stuff now. But I'm trying everything possible to make sure that I help these children in times of catarrh, because the weather here is not friendly. So as you can see, like I said before, my baby boy, he's sleeping. That's how it works. And I'm already done with it. I'm packaging everything back to this machine. And you see this machine? This machine is up to 2 years and I think, let me just say 2 years now. So I bought the machine when I gave birth to my first baby. You see what I'm saying before? This aqua soluzione is kind of a salty, water salty. I think I've tested it. Seriously. So I will use this needle, then I will hit it inside the bottle. I'm going to leave the needle inside the bottle. I'm not using the needle. Then after bringing out the water, then I'll remove, you see it now, then I'll pump the water inside it to help him, the catarrh, to soft. Then I will use a small children pipe to draw the catarrh out from him, for him, so that he will be more comfortable in breathing. You see it? You see how it works? Yes. So guys, let me tell you what happened. You see that bottle, that little bottle, when I gave birth to my first son, I didn't know, because of language barrier, I didn't know that they don't use, it's not for eating. Like, I thought maybe you just drop the thing inside their mouth as Nigeria now, you know, they'll just okay, this one now, give him this one in the morning, or I thought that's how it works. So I gave it to my first baby, and my baby was crying then, and then my doctor was asking, okay, how did you use it? I told her. She was laughing at me. She said no, that I should put it inside very embarrassing. So drop comment on this story, the worst mistake you have made, sorry, as a mother. I'm telling you my own now, that instead of me using this thing on the nose, I'm putting it inside their mouth. But anyway, that's just the first time my first child, as in, first time mom, he will have some kind of challenges. So my firstborn also, he's having catarrh. I'm also helping him out to draw all those stuff out. So guys, remember to drop comments on the mistakes you have made as a mom, as a first time mother. Let us know our secrets together. Okay, sorry guys for all this yama yama. I'm just trying to show you people how these things works here. Okay, thank you all for watching, and thank you for staying with me up till now. Thank you. I'm so grateful. Okay, I'm so grateful. So like I said before, you see how all these things works. And meanwhile, each time that I flush my firstborn nose, he always sneeze. Maybe it's kind of help. I don't really know what. Body are different. So guys, I and my family, we are saying happy Christmas, and we love you all.